We often talk about marks, subjects, and exams, but real growth? It happens in conversation, in reflection, and in learning about life. Namaskar. I'm Soni Gupta, working as a psychology expert at Manaskriti School. At the heart of my work and our vision is the mental health and emotional well-being of every child. I would like to share that I deeply focus on self-awareness, self-realization, and purpose of life of every child. At Manaskriti, we focus on conducting workshops for our children, not as lectures, but providing them open and honest spaces for the sense of fulfillment. Here at Manaskriti, we focus on things that truly matters: mental health, handling peer pressure and bullying, building life skills among students. Here, along with our students, we also support our educators through regular workshops on self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and managing diverse classrooms for their professional development. Children grow best when school and home speak the same language. That is why we are preparing a series of future workshops just for our parents. That is what we do at Manaskriti. We nurture not just students but lifelong learners.